Learn more on search engine marketing in Zambia and how you increase web visitors to your website. Before I start, this channel is all about making money in Zambia and Africa at large. To continue receiving these type of videos, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and comment if you have any questions. I read and reply to all comments within an hour. Years ago, nobody worried about anything else's search engine. SEO optimization was applied for improved performance websites. Nobody would ever think that it would help to increase the conversion rate or increase the traffic on your website. Further on, we found that there are other means of increasing traffic to our pages since search engine marketing, SEM, has been introduced. Marketing of search engines is something that comes from a point of view that would help SEO manage and also pay search. With time, as new changes emerged, people began to perceive SEM as a more paid search operation. In contrast to SEM, pay listings typically are a word used. SEM or SEO could be obtained through web advertising. SEM activities also include pay search ads, pay-per-click, paid search ads, thousand print or CPM costs, click-through, CPC, costs. Now the interesting part is that many people believe they don't need SEM or vice versa since they use SEO. But the way it works doesn't. Both are important for your company. No matter that priority is given, note that one is as critical as the other. SEO allows you to launch the page easily and efficiently in the first place. This helps to ensure a smooth user experience is given on your page. This is valid of SEM. It is also the same strategy to SEM. All your paid efforts will be vanished if you don't apply it to SEM. Then there's the quality control system for Google too. When you check the quality of score by Google, you can see that when you click on a specific website, once the client exits the page, when every tap is costing you will be blamed if it is not convenient to use. It is therefore advised that you first concentrate on SEO. You will automatically attract more searches after you have done your SEO effort. This will help you manage SEM and work on other keywords to improve your business. Now, let us look at some of the interesting advantages of marketing search engines. Search engines and SEM are closely related, so you would work to improve the SEO of your site now as discussed. Then, concentrate on SEM work. But vice versa, you can do it. Time-consuming organic marketing. So, how about starting with SEM or paid marketing before concentrating on the time it takes? It can take more than a year or so to show results for organic marketing. Even if your policies are not proven, it may take more time to reflect the results, or it may never happen. Therefore, the plan should be updated and a new plan developed. It's always perfect to stay ready for the storm in this case. SEM enables you to take your site to one SERP, in the top or bottom, regardless of the strategies you use or not. To begin with, you get some visibility if you are new to the world of online marketing. Isn't that anything better than no visibility? Oh, that's it. This SEM would make your brand visible. Whether on the top or bottom of the page, the product is seen with more chances. If you have done everything right, your customer pays for each click to create visibility. This would have a positive or negative impact on your tax. However, the magic your site creates is how your revenue works. The results are faster when properly done. SEM is able to produce results quickly, perhaps at a glance. Your strategies and even the advertisement you write are important. You have nothing to worry about if everything has been done correctly. You are headed for sales generation, perhaps in a few minutes after the copy is started. This does not require complex rocket science. It's all pretty easy and simple. Begin to work today and select the ad copy ideas that can attract attention of the customer. SEM or search engine marketing is scalable, and this helps businesses in Zambia. SEM is very scalable, as mentioned. You can always begin in bits, may test the different aspects. Take into account your business contributions, which things can be kept and what can be eliminated. If there is not so much you can pay, budget for low costs. If all else is in place, financial gains will start to add once SEM is started clicking. The amount of advertisements can then naturally be increased. Make sure that you delete all advertisements that do not make an impact when adding new advertising. Your campaigns can always be taken care of, and what works or does not change. They can also consider new techniques for the regular improvement and variation of marketing spending. For SEM and other marketing or payment strategies, it would be possible to set a budget below $9 as a limit. So, your budget will never really be affected. With search engine marketing SEM, you can target your audience in Zambia. As you can see, people worldwide are currently working online. Such search engines determine the experiences of people online. What happens to the searches? Talk about it from the outset. There is a question for people. Where does that happen? The results are present in a search engine and a search engine. So the first step in finding a place in your customer's heart is to impress the search engine. There can be no traffic as much as a search engine can be. Whatever your product is, search engines know the best. This means that your clients can see the page if your site is prominent in search results. In the end, it will bring you your people. Remember that your site is the source of everything. Search engines attract people to your website and help build confidence. Don't think about transforming a tap, but the sales might be impacted. In the future, you can return. They just left because something else was necessary. Building your brand gets stronger with search engine marketing in Zambia. So if a customer converts, this person might not have come to you just now. It could be a trip through weeks or months that this man visits you for a while now. During this time, the commitment to deliver your product or service to your employees has been vital, and this has turned all these consumers into revenue. SEM, search engine marketing vs normal marketing in Zambia. SEM is one of the strongest means of reaching those who really matter to your company in ways which are not allowed by traditional advertising. In fact, it would cost you far too much if you intend to do this with normal ads. You're requested one when you click your ad. But nothing happens until somebody clicks. You could build too many or make them work with just a handful depending on how much you can manage. You should always start small. The best thing to do is to see if you can transform the ad so that it can reach the most important consumers and then do your job. Who matters for your enterprise is important to target. Reach all of the networks where a candidate can be identified. But don't overdo it. How well are your competitors doing in Zambia? Check your competitors' performance. It is important to know how the opponent operates, irrespective of whether it's for SEO or SEM. This helps you understand and develop strategies to improve your performance. You can ensure you work to reach the top by using paid ads if you have already a top position through SEO. You have a fiercer competition if you're using paid ads. In that scenario, you can focus on solutions that completely remove them from the role. Also, since many companies don't know how SEM works or doesn't use it fully, you always have the chance to do better with search engines. You have additional scope to expand your business in this case. SEM, search engine marketing cost is affordable in Zambia. SEM could be affordable in comparison to other marketing tactics. You know what you do and you're not going to exaggerate. So you always know what you need and what your ads do not need. Create and reach your people with an impressive ad copy. That's sure to work. Keith Rains is a leading digital commercializer in Zambia that delivers online marketing solutions that help our customers reach the next level in their business. SEO, SMM, SEM, PPC, email marketing, content marketing, etc. are our tools. We also are a renowned website design company that offers our customers in India and abroad all types of web design services at affordable prices. Please contact us today for more information. Need SEM, search engine marketing in Zambia? Feel free to contact me.